Hello students, in the under the modern e-learning program, in the second video of economics poverty as a challenge, we are going to discuss about what is the effect of poverty, in which first we can say child labor. Actually, due to poverty, people are bounded to send their children to do work. The main cause of child labor is poverty. They had a hope to find something from as the income from the child. Due to it, we have watched a lot such type of children are working in dhaba, tea stall, as well as collecting some garbage here and there, plastic bottle and something else. It is the first effect of child labor, as well as helplessness. Actually, at the time of critical, just when he is going to sick, any type of disaster has come, due to poverty, no anyone is ready to help him. And in the absence of assets, property, as well as permanent assets, they can't protect themselves. उसके पास कोई पैसा है नहीं, झोपड़ी में आग लग गई, अब वो कैसे अपने को बचाएगा? फ्लड आ गया, कल तक जो डेली कमाता था, आज कैसे अपने जीवन को चलाएगा? दैट इज हेल्पलेसनेस. Such type of persons are feeling helpless, as well as we can say unemployment. Actually, the ratio of employment among poor is few. Means mostly peoples are unemployed due to poverty. Because no any type of education, no any skills, no any such type of things is present in his hand, due to unemployment is more than the other section in the society of poor, as well as landlessness. Such type of poor section has no land. Land is a source. Land is a source to find income, to do something. If we have a bit of land, we can provide the livelihood for our family. But due to poverty, land is not present with such section, as well as they are suffering under malnutrition. Due to poverty, they are not giving any attention towards the nutritious food. They want to fulfill only the belly by any means. It is not a subject how many calories we are taking. Our food has vitamins or not. And due to it, in their body, different type of lack of vitamins, lack of blood, as well as something, and it can weak their immunity. Their immunity that is related to malnutrition. Their growth of the body is not so good due to malnutrition. It is the cause of poverty, as well as illiteracy. Such type of section is not able to send their children to school because they want some income from child or children. Due to it, illiteracy are found in higher ratio in poverty or in the section that are suffering under the poverty. Now we are going to discuss about the poverty in the view of social scientists. In the view of social scientists, actually social scientists how take the poverty. Actually, we are taking different type of measuring unit of poverty, especially by the social scientists. And in this way, for measuring poverty, they are taking income. Income is the common way for measuring poverty. They are using what is the income of a group. On such base, they can declare which group is under poverty line or not. As well as consumption. Consumption. Have you known about World Bank? Yes, World Bank is measuring poverty on the base of consumption. If a person's consumption is more than $1.95, then the family or the person may be considered as above poverty line. Means it is also a measuring unit of poverty. In spite of it, the illiteracy level is also a measuring point. Lack of basic facilities facilities, basic as well as minimum facilities, minimum कम से कम facilities on such ways, as well as malnutrition, malnutrition also a way to measure poverty. Here we can say job opportunity. Job opportunities. Which type of job opportunities are present in a section we can measure. But in spite of such, we can say the sanitation may be sanitation is also as well as access to drinkable water we can measure. Here in spite of it, nowadays some social scientists are giving emphasis over the social exclusion, as well as vulnerability. And the another Hindi Bhedya. So now we have need to discuss about what is social exclusion and vulnerability. Here